In front of me is VIVO V50 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner and choose all of your photos you wish to add. When you find it, select Done at the bottom right corner. Then use this blue button to send them. If you can't find your photos here, scroll all the way down, hit Folders at the bottom left corner. Click on all of your photos to attach and select Add at the bottom right corner. Wait and swipe up to see that your photos were successfully attached. If you want to take a photo and send it right away, use the same icon of a camera and the photo. Change your camera to the one you wish to use. Snap a picture and save it. Send it, sorry. If you want to save it, you need to hold it and click on this icon of an arrow at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!